So my mom just recently ordered AirPods Pro 3rd generation, and so I'm going to be unboxing them in today's video. So I'm actually filming this the day before it releases because I ordinarily upload on Tuesdays, and my mom needed these to be unboxed the day before, so I'm filming it the day before. But right here, as you can tell, this is a product of Vietnam, designed by Apple in California, AirPods Pro 3, yada yada yada. And right here, just to let you know all about AirPods Pro 3, which is that just and even gives an indigestion hazard. And so one difference right away between this and the AirPods Pro 2 box is that they've shrunk it, which good for them. So yeah, and they've changed box contents of the box. So let's go ahead and let's unbox these AirPods Pro. As you can tell, it's just a standard AirPods box. And so now, just like when you open AirPods Pro 2, as you can tell, you are made with the design in Apple in California. Now my mom actually took all the stuff out of this one, so this is for her old AirPods Pro 2, so I don't actually know. It'll come up, but I imagine it's pretty similar because, yeah, this is just basic connectivity instructions and scan for fit guidance. And this is just explains how to use controls and whatnot. So right here we have the actual AirPods themselves, which I'll go ahead and set aside. And right here we have the ear tips that come with every pair of AirPods Pro, as you can tell. So now let's go ahead and let's unwrap the actual AirPods Pro 3 themselves. Yes, I managed to get one of these boxes open without tearing this too badly. So yeah, these are AirPods Pro 3. And as you can tell, in terms of actual design, these look very similar to the USB-C AirPods Pro 2. My AirPods Pro 2 are just a lot more worn out. But yeah, they're very, very similar. These just have an improved bass from what I hear, so they're a little bit bassy from what I understand. But yeah, that's really all I have to say for these AirPods Pro 3rd generation. So do you own these? If so, what are your experiences with them? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.